Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can get coupon codes for FTMO. So the first method I had is that you go onto Reddit and just type in FTMO coupons or promo codes. You can also do promo codes right here. It really doesn't matter, but as you can see right here, there's already one right here who has, that's just a tip. But if you can scroll down here, see if you can find any. Also chats right here with the comments. You can see right here, there's one who has 25%. So that is one method. The other method is that we go onto x.com and we type in FTMO coupons. So when we do this, there will be a lot of suggestions. So what we want to do, we're going to click here on the latest. So you can also see right here someone is asking, and you can just scroll down and see if you can find anything. That is one very good method of doing it.